Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna be preparing the kitchen garden. This year I'll be planting some veggies, so it starts warming up, so it's the right time for me to prepare the soil, and then I'll plant it. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna start digging. For digging, yeah, as you can see, guys, we already have a dodo down here. Yeah, so it's amazing. Yeah, so look how fertile is the soil now. It's ready. So as you can see, there's a dodo coming out there. Yeah, I didn't plant this one, it just grow. Yeah, because last year we plant dodo here. Yeah, that is sukuma, as you can see there, guys. Yeah, and it is the one I prepare. Yeah, cool, so nice. Yeah, and see, as you can see, yeah, so the kitchen garden is not that big. Yeah, but we really managed trying to plant some veggies, a lot of veggies. Yeah, so guys, the veggies I'm gonna plant are here. This one, this is called cowpeas, as you can see there. It's cowpeas. Yeah, and these are the corn, or you call it the maize. Yeah, maize, it's right there. And I have sukuma as well. You can see sukuma mixed with the cowpeas. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna plant. Alright, cool. Yeah, easy. For the cowpeas, you just get on your hand and then you scatter it, as you see. Yeah, then yeah, just you scatter it, and then you need to cover just with the soil, not heavy, just light. Yeah, so you scatter, that's the seed there. Yeah, and then you scatter it. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Yeah, just scatter it. Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah. Yeah. So you can see it's there. I just put it there. Yeah. Yeah. Few. And then you need to cover. You can either use a rake or you just use your hand. Like that, just to cover it. Yeah. Not heavy. Yeah. Just like, because it's a small garden, so you can use your hand. Yeah. Make sure it's all cover. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So as you see, guys, so that's how I'm gonna cover it. Yeah, yeah. Then just cover, make sure you can see, and then you need to water later. Yeah, but you need to cover just a little bit, don't put too much. Yeah, soil, because it will take a time to germinate. Yeah, so good. Yeah, see guys, it's all cover, so you can see. Yeah, even watering will cover the seed, so if you water after, yeah, so it will cover. Yeah, And then after 2 to 3 days it will start growing. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, down that one. Okay, then yeah, for the maize, or you call it corn, that one you need to dig a hole. All right, it's just I'll say you dig a hole there, and then you put, how many? You put 2 in it. Always don't put too many. 2 is enough. Just put 2. Yeah, see, and then you cover. Yeah, that's good. But now, and then you need to have a space. I'll say at least 1 meter. Yeah, because of the leaf. Yeah, and then you put it there. 2, don't put too much. As I say, only 2. Yeah, 1, 2, and then you cover with soil. That's for maize. Yeah, and then you continue doing it. At least have to be 1 meter the spacing. Yeah, 1, 2 there, and then you cover. Yeah, cool. Okay guys, the last thing we're gonna plant is the sukuma wiki seed. As you can see there, that is sukuma wiki seed. For sukuma wiki seed, you can just plant it by spreading. Yeah, because we water this place, so yeah, you just spread it. Yeah, that's it. Easy. Yeah. Okay guys, so the last thing you need to do is you need to water. Yeah, so if you plant your seed, make sure you water after. Yeah, after planting is a must, you need water. Or when you know it's raining, and then you plant a seed, and then you don't need water. But if not, yeah, so you have to do it. Yeah. So make sure the soil is wet, so that the seed will get a little bit soaked, and then it will start germinating. Yeah. After 2 to 3 days, and then you will see the seed start germinating. So that's when you need water more as well. Yeah. Yeah. I'll be watering. Yeah. When it's not raining tomorrow, I'll come here water again tomorrow as well. Yeah. Until the seeds start germinating, and then I will, yeah, and make sure it germinates at the same time. Yeah, watering that. Soak and work. Good. Yeah. So guys, do you grow your veggies in the mini garden or kitchen garden? Yeah. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. If you're my return subscriber, thank you very much. Yeah. So easier. Yeah, you need to grow your own veggies. So that's when you know what you're eating. You're eating fresh, and you know always. It will save you some money as well. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, that's my kitchen garden. As you can see, it's not a big space, but it's still I'm just managing it. Yeah, make sure I grow veggies. Yeah. Yeah, I already prepared the soil, as you can see. I've been putting a manure. Yeah, if you go to my previous video, you can watch. and see what I've been doing on this soil. Yeah, I've been putting a manure. I've been doing a few things here. Yeah, so the soil is soft and ready for veggies. So nice. So guys, thank you very much, and thank you for clicking. I will see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.